Hi everyone, and welcome to my Palm Springs Dreams makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips using the Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear Lip Balm, and it tastes really good. Then, I'm going to wipe my face clean using the Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Then, grabbing the NARS Radiance Primer and the Kylie Skin Sunscreen Moisturizer, I'm going to mix them up and apply it on my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear and apply it all over my face. To conceal my face, I'm going to be using the KKW Concealer in the shade number 5. To set my concealer and foundation, I'm going to be using Becca's Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. To prepare my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply the P. Louise eyeshadow base and blend it all in. And now, going into the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette, I'm going to take the shade Cabana Time and set that as a base color for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take the shade Saucy and Bossy and apply that to my crease and outer V. Grabbing some milk setting spray, I'm just going to use that to wet my brush and apply the color Dirty Martini to the inner part of my eye. Grabbing the shade Buzzkill, I'm going to first wet my brush again and then apply it to the middle part of my eyelids. Wetting my brush again, now I'm grabbing the shade Swizzle Stick and apply that to the crease and to my outer V. And I'm also blending it in towards the other colors, but not too much so that we don't lose the transition from the yellow to the pink. And because I'm not doing a cat eye today, I'm just going to add more flare to my eyes and put on some Demi Wispies by Ardell. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and after I've done that, I'm going to be applying some Urban Decay liner on my top and bottom waterline. To powder my face, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade C3. Next, I'm going to contour my face with the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer and apply that to my jawline, my cheeks, and my forehead. For blush, I'm going to be using this super cute heart from Too Faced in the shade Candy Glow. And for highlight, I'm using this collab of Pure and Barbie and apply it to my cheeks, my brow bone, and my nose. And for brows, I'm going to first fill them in using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to fill them in using the NYX Brow Gel in the shade Black. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the bright neon pink Big Eagle mascara from Tarte. I love this mascara so much, not only because of the packaging, but also because it makes my lashes so dark and keeps them up all day long. And for lipstick, I wanted to use something that could match my outfit, so I'm just going to use this bright hot pink lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Mama Boss. And now, personally, I've never been to Palm Springs before, but to make it look like I have been, I'm just going to grab Urban Decay's Honey Scented Body Powder and apply that to my shoulders and my collarbone to make it look like I have like a nice sun-kissed tan or something. And I was thinking of keeping my hair in braids, but honestly they were getting annoying, so I decided to take them out. But before we get to posing, the last thing I did was set my face with the Milk Setting Mist, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer tutorial, and I hope this summer has been great for you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.